Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, sharing with you once again our newest arrival to our approved used stock in the form of this gorgeous Range Rover Evoque, available here in a highly spec'd R-Dynamic HSE, powered by a 2-litre D200 engine with the exterior in a deep Firenze grey metallic colour. This stunning city SUV has got plenty on offer, with the likes of these gorgeous matrix LED headlights in the front, along with signature daytime running lights. Whilst around the side, you'll also enjoy these 20-inch diamond-turned gloss dark grey contrast alloy wheels, which really stand out. In the rear, there are also full LED taillights on offer to complement the Firenze red colour, and my particular favourites are these copper accents on the sides, with this model even benefiting from a fixed panoramic roof. For easy access, keyless entry and start is complemented by a powered liftgate, revealing a more than practical load area for all your weekly shopping needs. Passengers inside the cabin will also enjoy this gorgeous ebony leather upholstery here with ebony interior, offering seating for 3 along with 2 ICE-fixed child anchor points. Whilst in the front, the decorative door and dash inserts will grace the cabin, with more upgraded and pronounced front seats offering additional comfort, as well as 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which is heated as well for the winter months, offering a powered digital instrument cluster for the driver to enjoy. In the centre, 10-inch Touch Pro system is an absolute joy to use, featuring built-in satellite navigation, easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony, as well as FM and DAB digital radio to find your favourite stations. Additionally, both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection is on offer, with dynamic eye function allowing you to customise the drive selection. Other great features on this model will also incorporate a rear view camera, which features wide-angle lens for better visibility, and as well as complemented by front and rear parking sensors. The lower screen will also offer selectable drive modes for the 4-wheel drive system, along with a heated front windscreen, as well as heated front seats, which will come in handy when the temperature drops. Additionally, climate control system can also be easily operated via the same rotary dials. Moving over ahead, there's even an auto-dimming rearview mirror and easy controls to operate the electric sunshade by letting in plenty of natural light. This has been a presentation of the Range Rover Evoque R-Dynamic HSE that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.